So today we're going to have a look at this 16-port smart managed switch from Hikvision. Try and make it interesting for you. I'll show you a few of the things about it. We'll log in and show you maybe why you should be using a managed switch over a standard one, what we can do in the menus. The basics, 16-port, 10100 PoE ports, okay? So this is strictly really a CCTV switch. You're not going to use this for an IT job. These ports are all 10100. The ones marked in red, ports 1 to 8, are long range, up to 300 meters, still with full PoE. Enabling that knocks them down to 10 megabits though, just beware of that. Over here we have combo ports. So these really are uplink ports, they're gigabit, non-PoE. Okay, now they're combo ports, which means you can't use all four of them. You can either use this one, or else this one, or this one. Okay, so it's really 2 ports, not 4. So either on copper or fiber if you want to put in a connector. There's really good surge protection, and there's really strong PoE budget of 230 watts across the 16 ports. So fantastic switch for any kind of a decent CCTV job. So let's log in with our web browser and have a look at some of these extra features we can do when we're using a managed switch. Okay, so like any other Hikvision network product, I've activated it using SADP, given it a password. It's picked up an IP address from our server. So I can log in now with my password. And here we are in the status menu. Get lots of information about what's going on, including models and firmwares. I updated this as well to the latest firmware, which is from March of this year. What's nice with these ports is it'll show you what's connected. So I'm going to plug in a camera now into port 1, and we'll see it'll pop up with an icon of the camera and its IP address and the model. Over here it's showing that it's connecting onto our network, onto my other 48 port switch on my IT network. So that's nice new information to be able to get. So let's plug in a camera. Now the camera is active. We can see PoE has been used, and we can see that it's a camera connected because it's a Hikvision camera. So that's really nice extra information to be able to see. And now we can see our PoE budget start to be consumed, but that camera is only consuming just over 4 watts out of our 230 watt budget, so that's fantastic. So drilling into a few of the handy features in a managed switch, let's have a look at this PoE watchdog configuration down here in the PoE menu. So for port 1, I have enabled PoE watchdog. And what that does is it will detect if something goes wrong with the device on that channel, and it'll attempt to rectify it by killing the PoE power and restoring it. So effectively rebooting the device for you once it detects a problem. So that's something that could really cut down on service calls for you guys. Next, let's look at converting a port to long range. So port 1 here, I can make it a long range port. So that does 2 things. The positive thing is it extends the range of the cable to 300 meters with PoE. The slight downside is it knocks it down to 10 megabits from 10100. So that's really not an issue at all for cameras. We're not going to use any more than 10 anyway. So the first 8 ports can all be enabled as long range, but just keep in mind, don't do it unless you actually do need that range. Next little feature is essentially a cable test. Without using a cable tester, we're using the switch itself. So I've drilled down to cable detection. I click on port 1 and we'll do detection. See what it thinks of my 1 meter patch lead. I'm sure it's all good. Okay, detection succeeded. The results are here. Cable status is normal. Really handy. You don't have to go and plug in cables, tracing them and putting your tester on either end. A great feature on these switches is we can put them online with Hik Connect, and then when they're online, add them to our Hik-Partner Pro account for management. So I'm going to switch over to my phone screen here to Hik-Partner Pro and give you a look at that. So here I am in my Hik-Partner Pro account, and there's our switch. Even the graphic matches perfectly the actual device. It shows me the model, the IP address, shows me what's connected, gives me some stats, how the hardware is performing, how the PoE is going, what line speeds I'm getting. I can reboot the whole device. I can log into essentially the web page that we were looking at on the laptop a minute ago. I can reboot ports. And as usual with Hik-Partner Pro, I could do a handover to the actual end user customer if I was doing the install. So hopefully you found that useful and you saw some of the features that we can activate within the menus of a smart switch over a standard one. Just do beware of this though, when she's powered up. Fairly noisy switch, so this is strictly a comms cabinet or comms room type of one. Don't be putting this in an office where people are working, I would think. We have loads in stock. As usual, give your account manager a shout. Thanks for watching.